Attack footage. Ukraine Kamikaze drone destroy most dangerous TOS-1A rocket system in Bakhmut. Footage shared on social media Thursday shows Ukraine's military destroying a deadly Russian rocket system that is capable of launching thermobaric missiles. Mikhailo Fedorov, who serves as Ukraine's Deputy Prime Minister for Innovation, Education, Science and Technology, posted video of a Special Forces unit from the Security Service of Ukraine SSU using a first-person view FPV drone to strike a TOS-1A Sepik Blazing Sun rocket system. One Sepik rocket system reportedly costs more than $6.5 million, including servicing, training, and ammunition. The system can launch between 24 and 30 thermobaric rockets, which has led Russia's defense ministry to describe the Sepik as a heavy flamethrower. This system is one of the most dangerous multiple-launch rocket systems, capable of using thermobaric warheads. Anton Gashenko, an advisor to Ukraine's Minister of Internal Affairs, wrote on Twitter in a post that shared Fedorov's clip. This destruction undoubtedly saved many Ukrainian lives, equipment, and infrastructure. In his post, Fedorov said the FPV drone turned the Sepik into a pile of metal scrap. This heavy flamethrower system will no longer kill Ukrainians. In March 2022, the British Defense Ministry said the TOS-1A's thermobaric rockets cause incendiary and blast effects because of the oxygen required to create the explosion. Meanwhile, Russian state media have reported on the Sepik's diverse range, saying it is capable of firing at close distances while also reaching targets as far away as 5.6 miles. The Russian Defense Ministry reported earlier this year on the use of Sepiks in Ukraine, saying Russian forces had attacked Ukrainian positions with 220mm shells launched by one of the rocket systems, burning out their shelters, observation posts, ammunition depots, and artillery positions. Defense and military technology expert David Hamling previously told media that Sepiks cause an extremely powerful shock wave which can shatter buildings. This can help identify when it has been used. In an online report, the Ukrainian Military Center offered more details of the strike captured by the video Fedorov posted. It said the Sepik was destroyed in the occupied village of Zaitsev, which is near the city of Bakhmut. The center also said the FPV drone used was a quadcopter Pegasus, a type of unmanned aerial vehicle that is manufactured from inexpensive foreign parts and equipped with explosive devices. Regarding the footage posted by Fedorov, the Ukrainian Military Center said the released video demonstrates how an inexpensive drone can destroy such systems if it hits a launcher with ammunition. Weeks into Ukraine's highly anticipated counteroffensive, Western officials describe increasingly sobering assessments about Ukrainian forces' ability to retake significant territory. 4 senior U.S. and Western officials briefed on the latest intelligence told media. They're still going to see, for the next couple of weeks, if there is a chance of making some progress. But for them to really make progress that would change the balance of this conflict, I think it's extremely, highly unlikely. A senior Western diplomat. The primary challenge for Ukrainian forces is the continued difficulty of breaking through Russia's multi-layered defensive lines in the eastern and southern parts of the country, which are marked by tens of thousands of mines and vast networks of trenches. Ukrainian forces have incurred staggering losses there, leading Ukrainian commanders to hold back some units to regroup and reduce casualties. Russians have a number of defensive lines, and the Ukrainian forces haven't really gone through the first line, said a senior Western diplomat. Even if they would keep on fighting for the next several weeks, if they haven't been able to make more breakthroughs throughout these last 7-8 weeks, what is the likelihood that they will suddenly, with more depleted forces, make them? Because the conditions are so hard. A senior U.S. official said the U.S. recognizes the difficulties Ukrainian forces are facing, though retains hope for renewed progress.